Oh my God.
My lips is on fire.
Hey, this is Kay.
And this is Cree.
And this is kayandkretv.
Before we get started, make sure you like,
Subscribe, hit that bell to be notified below.
And go check out our other videos, please.
Please. Okay.
Alright, so today we have been tagged to do this challenge by PRGANG, PRISSY. Shout out to her.
Wow, we're nervous, y'all.
Real nervous about this challenge. It's basically 10 chicken legs
in 15 minutes.
In 15 minutes with this 2-time spicy hot sauce. So, you know, I'm good with a little hot stuff here and there, but I've not really tried this one. You know,
and I struggle with the hot sauce. Anything spicy, so I'm gonna try my best, y'all.
Yeah, we're gonna try. We don't have any drinks right now, but if it get to it, we might have to
do it.
We might have
to do it, cause.
Yep. So yeah, 15 minutes. We got to do 10 chicken wings each. There's not chicken wings, but chicken legs each. She got 10. I got 10. There's 20 on here.
Let's go ahead and do the sauce.
You know what I'm saying? Now we have to put this sauce on.
I got the sauce.
Everybody see this. Ooh, this looks scary.
Ooh, it's really.
Yes, I'm scared.
All right. That stuff is red. Oh my gosh, y'all.
What in the world?
That is red. You should get enough on there.
I'm trying to make sure we got enough, y'all. Ooh. We gotta get up under there. Get up under there.
Yeah. All over.
All over. Ooh.
Spin it. Spin it right there.
Smells good though.
This thing is spicy. You playing. Ah! Bam. Over there.
White one on my side.
Soak it. You queen spicy.
Nah, don't play me.
That's a lot too in that bottle.
It is a lot.
That bottle go a long way.
It do.
This stuff is red, y'all. Oh my gosh.
We just used it all.
Look at that, y'all. Look at that. It almost look bloody. No, I'm kidding.
Oh
but anyway.
Gosh, I'm nervous. Oh gosh.
You ready?
I think so.
Just tell me when.
All right, let me get myself situated.
And I gotta show them.
So yeah, you show them the 15 minutes. We're gonna see what we can do with it.
You ready?
Yeah, in 3, 2, 1.
15, y'all.
Let's go. That's spicy.
Yes, it is.
Good though.
You do got a good taste. OMG.
Already.
Woo! Oh my gosh.
I don't know why I got the biggest piece.
I said I wasn't gonna bite it, but I did. Forgot.
I don't know. Plus, I'm a slow eater.
Oh my gosh. My face hot.
I already sweating. Sauce good though.
It is. It do taste good. Ooh. Ooh. The back of my throat is hot. It's like straight fire. Ooh. Oh, that's a piece of meat. My bad.
Dang.
That's the one, y'all.
She might have to get one for the team, y'all.
You better come on with it. My mouth is hurting, though. The sides of my mouth. This stuff is nothing to play with. I'm gonna roll it around.
Mm-hmm.
Your nose wet.
Mm-hmm. This one had a lot of sauce on it. Mm. Mm.
Oh my God.
Struggling. Mm.
Oh my God.
Took on this one leg, y'all. Mm.
Your lips sweating too.
Mm-hmm. Well, you ain't sweating. It ain't fair. All right. Come on, Grayson.
Oh my. Oh.
Mm. Mm. All right, about one. Get a small one, y'all.
That's a lot of sauce too on it.
You got sauce, y'all.
I did a small one too.
Oh.
OMG, that thing is loaded.
A lot of chicken.
I don't know which one I want to do.
You know that.
I want a small one. Woo! It look good though, y'all.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, my nose running. Mm.
Oh my gosh.
We got 10 minutes.
Whew.
I don't know, y'all. Who would that thing hot?
It's burning the roof of my mouth.
My lips is on fire. Mmm.
Oh.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Nose running.
Woo. Oh
It's
girl.
on fire.
Woo.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Chicken too. You want 2 or 3?
This is my third one.
Damn. no.
Ooh, it's hot. Oh my gosh. I am hot. My whole body is on fire. Oh, MG. Oh.
7 minutes. We're close to 7 minutes.
Oh my.
No.
I'm slowing down. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Keep going, girl. Come on.
Oh my God.
You gotta win.
Oh, my head hurts.
Can't give up now.
Oh, excuse me.
It's a nasty piece.
This hurts.
For real.
My stomach hurting.
I don't know how y'all doing it. Yeah, I ain't about to eat this piece. It's like a gizzard piece. Whatever you want to call it.
My goal was to like at least eat 5. I don't think I'm making it. I'm going to slow motion right now.
Struggling, y'all.
That's 3, y'all.
I'm on the 3rd one.
Let me get that one. That's a little baby piece right there. It counts. I'm on number 4, y'all.
Oh, man.
This stuff is red.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, you sweating.
Oh, man.
I need what is it, 5 minutes? 5 minutes and 46 seconds.
What we on?
5:41.
My mouth hurting. This might be it right here. And then I proceed to dip it in the sauce.
Right, come on, this might be it. I keep catching my throat.
It's all on my lips.
I need a drink, so. Whew. I need to.
What we on?
Oh no. I don't know. Oh my God. It's gonna ding. Oh my gosh. My throat is hurting. Oh my gosh. Ouch. Oh.
No, it's running.
Oh, my throat hurts so bad. How long we got? I can't take this no more. 3 minutes and 45. Oh my God.
We ain't gonna finish this.
This
shit.
is it, y'all. Woo! Maybe if I get another piece. For me.
Let's keep eating. We're doing it, y'all. Well, we trying anyway.
I can't do it. I'm tapped out.
Come on.
I'm tapped out.
No, come on. You got 3 minutes. Let's
I'm
go.
on my 4th piece though.
Let's go. Come on.
My throat is on fire. Ouch, it hurts. It hurts so bad. Like, ouch. Oh, excuse me, y'all.
2 minutes? Come on, yeah.
Oh. What you on? Third.
Y'all, I'm a slow.
My eyes is hurting, y'all. I can't do it no more. For the sake of my health. When she finished this, I'm drinking. When it's time to cut down. 2 minutes, y'all.
Let's at least not drink until the time.
Oh, yeah, I'm at least try not to drink, but I don't think I can do this anymore because I'm sick.
Ooh.
Woo.
Oh, man. My lips.
Woo. My eyes are hurting. Like, I am on fire. Oh, my gosh. This is not good. Oh, my gosh. Woo! So far, I did 3.5. That's it. Oh my God. Okay. 1 minute, 48 seconds. No way.
This is tough, y'all. I
No
don't know
way.
how.
I don't know how they did all 10.
How y'all do it?
How did he do all 10? I don't know.
Rayshawn, how you do this, bro?
Woo! This stuff is hot. Oh my gosh.
Next I got little pieces.
Ouch, 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 ouch.
I don't know if I can do another one.
You can do it. Match me. 3.5.
Right.
I am sick. Sick.
Oh gosh.
Once that time hit, 50 seconds, I'm drinking. I can't. Because if I go any further, I might pass out. It's hot.
My whole face is on fire.
Oh my God.
I don't know how y'all doing this. I don't know, man.
30 seconds, y'all. Come on, Cree. Match me. Let yours look like this. 19 seconds, y'all.
Ooh.
I can't do it. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. That's it, y'all. I gotta drink. I gotta do it. Yeah. This was very, very hard. I mean, very hard.
Extremely hard.
I was only able to do 3.5. Hold up. Yeah, 3.5, y'all. And that's it. She's still eating.
It's good though.
The taste is good, I'm not gonna lie, but that fire behind it,
yeah, that fire.
it hurts. 3.5 for me.
Half-ish.
Yeah.
I guess, I don't know.
That's it. So, we tried, y'all.
We tried. Without, you know, any drink.
At least we didn't drink anything
We didn't
in
drink
between, and that hurt so bad. That was straight torture.
Yeah.
So at least we didn't drink. And I've never done a spicy challenge without drinking. Like, in between.
I have.
Unless it's like the jelly beans, though, because that's a little candy. But
yeah,
those noodles, I had to drink.
Yeah, that thing was tearing us up. But this is good. I'm
It's
still eating it.
I'm not eating it. Cause that's.
But I gotta drink it though. Drink it with something.
Yeah, I'm not eating that. She probably could eat all of them if she had more time.
Yeah, I'm a slow eater, y'all.
She eats slow. I just can't handle the spice. But I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified below. Peace.
Bye.